You see, every night, uh, if you can watch it from the darkness, the the moon will come up at an angle. You can't really tell it here, but it comes up at an angle. If this is the horizon here, and it comes up like this every night, and that's the plane of the solar system there. Okay, and it looks like it's crooked to us because we're on the equatorial. We're about 45, 75, maybe 80 degrees off from the equator. So it looks like to us that it's rotating at an angle, but really that's the flat plane of the solar system there. So we're at an angle because we're up away from the equator here. See, and when the Milky Way comes up over the horizon, it comes up at a slanting angle like that too. You see, we just think we're flat here. We just think we're level, but really, we're looking at it from a skewed angle. And yes, Mars is accelerating extremely fast away from the house of Aetrides now. It was hanging out here for several weeks over here. And then suddenly on November 1st, October 31st, it swoops over here, and then now it's just booming across the sky now. And this is how astrology was formed by the ancient mariners who were watching the night sky every night, and they thought these were gods. Anything that moved in the night sky was considered a god, with a small g. But that's what they thought gods were, the things that moved in the night sky. Because obviously, they believed it was conveying some sort of information, because that was the only way they could figure what was going on out there. They didn't know about the vault of heaven. They thought the earth was flat. That was their cosmology. And so sheep herders would interpret this as some kind of sign from the gods, you see. And that's how astrology was born, which morphed into astronomy and mathematics and physics. So we have to give those guys a little bit of credit because they paid a lot of attention to the night sky, a whole lot of attention to the night sky.